Now I'll prepare fry beef with string beans, carrot, and capsicum. So this beef is about 600 grams. I've cut them into thin strips. Now I'm going to marinate it with the little corn flour, this water, about 4, and with about 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and little for 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and little oil. Make it mixture and add it to the beef and marinate and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. I'm mixing the mixture to the beef and keep it aside for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I have about 300 grams of string beans. I've taken off the sides and cut them into half, and this is one and a half capsicum. So I've used one green capsicum and one half yellow capsicum. So this is carrot, 2 small carrots. Cut them into small wedges. So these are all to be fried. Now this is garlic, about 8 cloves garlic, about 2 inches of ginger, and one small onion, slightly cubed. So again, now we have to prepare the sauce. For the sauce, I have about half cup of beef stock. So I used soup cubes and made the stock, put it in the micro. This is dark soy sauce, so about 1 teaspoon. This is light soy sauce, about 1.5 teaspoon. This is sesame oil, half a teaspoon. Worcester sauce, 1 teaspoon. Now we'll keep this aside, make it into let it be in a mixture, and as a to be added as a sauce to be added later on. Also, I have another one to make. Now this is cornstarch chicken. About 2 teaspoons. Put a little oyster sauce. This to be added in the end. Add little wine, cooking wine. Cooking wine, about 2 tablespoons. And little water. Make it into a paste and keep it to be added in the end. Now I will start with frying the vegetables, little oil, vegetable oil, and then the beef in batches, and then we'll start with the final preparation. Add little white pepper to this sauce, about 1.5 teaspoon, and mix well. I've added about 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm frying the carrot first, not fully fried, just for about 2-3 minutes, and removing it. Next, the capsicum, and then the string beans. Now I started frying the beef now in batches in oil. When you get like lightly brownish, remove it. The beef is fried. Now I'll added about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll put the ginger and garlic, and then the onion. You have the ginger, garlic. Fry for about 30 seconds. Then add the onion. Fry for about 2 minutes, and then you add the cooking wine, about 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. I added the cooking wine. I'll mix well, and then I'll add the sauce. And mix well. Now add the corn flour starch. And mix. Then add the vegetables. And mix, give it a good mix. Let it cook for about 3-4 minutes. Now add the beef, the fried beef, and give it a good mix. Let it cook for about 3 minutes, and then put off. Beef stir fry is now ready. Enjoy.